DFM feller buncher equipment is designed to automate the logging process. When combined with a deer track loader, a real combo is created. Thanks to such equipment, the most difficult, dangerous, and labor-intensive operations of cutting down tree trunks and stacking them in packs can be performed. The machine can be used on soils of various types, including clay and sandy. Among the advantages are high productivity, especially compared to manual labor, cross-country ability, and maneuverability, as well as ease of operation and high speed of operator training. The Unimog flail is a specialized overgrowth machine that can be operated with a serrate head or quad saw and is ideal for discarding thick overgrown and thorny material. This model has a powerful 12-inch shredder that is carried by the boom for quite a long distance and is available on the UK rail infrastructure. These Unimogs are great for large-scale vegetation removal work. A primary ripper that is designed to help farmers remediate difficult soils characterized by stratification, extremely hard soils, rocks, or stumps. It's all about the rocks gone, H4. This hydraulic refinator was designed specifically to help alleviate soil depth limitations and increase crop and pasture productivity. The innovative Refinator H4 has a working width of 118 inches and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. Some of the rocks it crushes can have a hardness of about 70 megapascals, which is significantly denser than good concrete. Farmers can typically process about 10 acres per day with the Refinator H4, which can run faster than many other deep ripping machines. Auger torque trenchers are quickly gaining a reputation as the most reliable and versatile units on the market today. The labor-intensive task of trenching has been transformed by the advent of such powerful machinery. The auger torque range of trenchers is available for a wide range of mini loaders, skid steers, backhoes, and excavators weighing up to 10 tons and covering depths up to 4.9 feet and widths up to 1.14 feet, with soil being neatly stacked to the side of the trencher by the rotating auger. Using only the highest quality hydraulic motors, providing flow rates of up to 150 liters per minute, and a planetary gearbox means this equipment has the reliability and power to make trenching easy. Even at the best of times, concrete can be tricky to work with, and not having the right tools for the job can result in a poor quality concrete mix, and even a messy cleanup that could very well set you back for hours. Loading, mixing, and delivering concrete around the job site is made easy with this skid steer concrete paver from the renowned Hi-Mac attachments. With a hydraulic opening at the bottom of the attachment, as well as a removable discharge tube, you have maximum control over every pour. This curbside concrete mixer attachment comes in various sizes to fit your line of work. The largest model is capable of mixing and transporting up to 600 liters of concrete in a single load. Thermite firefighting robots are some of the most powerful and reliable firefighting robots on the market. Designed to mitigate life-threatening situations, these tools provide fire suppression, situational awareness, and intelligence gathering for first responders. Operated by belt-mounted remote controllers, users are provided with real-time video feeds, allowing them to traverse dangerous terrain and remove obstacles from their path while enduring extreme conditions. Thermite firefighting robots are important to have on your side in dangerous, high-risk environments. The primary purpose of the Oshkosh M1070 tractor is to transport tanks, deploy and evacuate armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, armored bulldozers, and other heavy vehicles, and equipment of all types. It is powered by a 12.06-liter Detroit diesel 8V 92TA 500 horsepower diesel engine mated to an Allison CLT 754 5-speed automatic transmission and an Oshkosh 55,000 2-speed transfer case. The tractor has two tanks with a total capacity of 947 liters, 568 liters, and 379 liters, and has a maximum speed of 81 kilometers per hour. The heavy tractor cab accommodates the driver, one crew member, and up to 4 passengers. It meets the requirements of the U.S. Army's long-term armor strategy. The process of spinning a part on a machine has a strange magic that can instantly capture your attention. Don't be surprised if you find yourself breathlessly watching every movement of the machine until it completes its work. Gore Concrete has created their perfect Bay Links foundation stone spreader, which is essential for handling large volumes of material daily. Such a large yet powerful machine definitely adds value to any business by delivering materials that save customers time and the cost of additional equipment and personnel. Plus, their innovative Bay Links product is backed by parts and service support. Look for this technological monster in action. The Cat Model 320D is a high-performance amphibious excavator that features a patented direct-drive multi-synchronous motor system that allows you to dredge while afloat in shallow water. They are better suited for removing silty clay, clearing silted trenches, working in marshes, and shallow water than traditional barge dredges. The amphibious excavator can maneuver and operate on water because the track chassis floats on sealed pontoons. It can even rock or even flip over while excavating without support from below. It is propelled by a double-hulled, boat-shaped buoyancy tank. A gearbox drives the Caterpillar chain, providing free and smooth movement. Its upper structure is a modified excavator, providing a full 360-degree rotation by hydraulic drive. You are looking at the best-in-class ledge cutter from Ducker. This state-of-the-art technology helps you perform perfect shoulder milling and load the milled material in a single operation with a working width of 4.1 feet. The technique also has auxiliary augers that only increase the working width to 5.6 to 6.9 feet and make it easier to work under and behind the fence. This type of machinery also has a specially attached broom that cleans the streets similarly. In conclusion, the SBF 900 ledge milling machine is truly Ducker's best self-propelled version with hydraulic travel and milling drive. This loading vehicle is pushed in front of it by the SBF 900 shoulder milling machine with the help of a copy roller. This is how the milling machine determines the optimum working speed. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. The Fractum hammer, Model 100, is powered by a Volvo 380 excavator. The impact energy of this hammer is so great that the rock cannot absorb it. The Fractum doesn't even penetrate the rock, it only strikes the surface of the rock, and that's enough for effective crushing. Its braking principle is more like that of a conventional hammer, where a strong metal rod moving in a casing is simply lifted upwards and then falls on the material with tremendous force, causing it to sort of splinter. In this way, so much impact energy is applied to a small area that the material is unable to absorb it, and as a result, it simply disintegrates. There is also no need to transport large boulders that need to be broken up, because the excavator with the Fractum Model 100 mounted on it can drive itself to each individual stone. Cleaning public and company areas is a demanding and challenging task, which can be perfectly handled by an efficient and professional machine, such as the Grunig Sweeping Fox. The Grunig Sweeping Fox is a very productive machine with a quiet 3-cylinder diesel engine. Thanks to its special characteristics, this machine can handle both fine dust and large, coarse dirt clumps equally well. Moreover, the sweeper of this version is also great at handling wet debris. So if you want to do your cleaning job quickly, efficiently, and effectively, Sweeping Fox will suit you just fine. The BMM 410 is a fully automatic mobile clay brick making machine from SNPC Machines India. The new BMM 410 is a mobile, portable machine that gives the freedom to produce clay or mud bricks anytime, anywhere, and in any quantity. The raw material required for the BMM 410 mobile brick making machine is clay, mud, or a mixture of clay and fly ash. Pavelli is a leader in the production of fully customized trailers. In its 40-year history, the company has retained its artisanal touch and family management and has been able to spread from Italy to the whole of Europe, all the way to America and Asia. That is why it has created a new special modular low-bed semi-trailer. Such a machine has a high frame with a center beam, extendable and expandable, as well as a removable neck with adjustable height. The entire structure has been hot-dip galvanized, which provides high resistance to corrosive agents and extends the life of the frame. The slow-frame semi-trailer is equipped with pneumatic or hydraulic suspension with knee mechanism, as well as a hydraulic steering system with radio control for easy maneuvers. The CT718 compost turner sets new standards in efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been improved, including new controls, an easy-to-read control display, and side and rear view cameras. Plus, the mainframe has been improved, resulting in lower machine height and therefore better transportability. Have you ever seen Seneboggin operate with the precision of a surgeon, carefully removing only those sections of trees that have failed or are no longer needed? It's like a dance where every step is designed to preserve the health and beauty of nature, and the waste is immediately converted into a useful resource. Beton block concrete blocks are very versatile and have many applications. They are ideal for partition walls, retaining walls, and trench silos, for example, in the waste management industry or in agriculture, but are also great for the construction of sheds and buildings. Concrete blocks are also widely used for safety reasons, such as road closures or flood protection. Beton block offers specialty concrete block molds, retaining wall molds, concrete slab molds, barrier molds, and tetrapod molds. And with dividers, sold separately, you only need one concrete block mold to produce different types of blocks. All molds are made of high-quality S355 structural steel and powder-coated for durability. The Diamant 2000 convinces with the best shredding quality, off-road performance, and durability. It is driven by a permanent all-wheel drive system with independent hydromechanical drive on the two main axles. This means that even hill climbs or rough terrain can be easily traversed. The rotor, which is the heart of the chopper, has been continuously improved. The machine can produce chopped materials from 0.59 to 2.36 inches thick, and its blade holders are interchangeable. Thus, they adapt to different chopping materials and provide the best results with existing material. Do you like this unusual combination of bulldozer and anchor chain? It should be said at once that these beasts are ideal assistants for some tasks of deep clearing of wooded areas, which other machines would simply never cope with. A massive anchor chain is attached between two powerful bulldozers, and then during their pass, rips trees of various sizes out of the ground, along with roots and everything else. These anchor chains can weigh on the order of 20,000 pounds, and with each pass, they uproot hundreds of trees and other unwanted vegetation. Pockets with unusual stitching on pants or jeans are always on trend and add creativity to any look. But have you ever wondered how they appear on your clothes? What can't modern high-tech machines do? Their capabilities will surprise anyone. What do you think of this technological marvel? It's like a maestro of an orchestra, controlling his instruments with incredible precision. Notice that every movement is like a masterclass for the pros, setting new standards in the world of masters. When developing the sweeper MS-130, special attention was paid to maximum ergonomics and high cleaning performance, combined with maximum economy. Such performance is not only due to the efficient engine, but also to the patented eco-efficiency mode, in which the engine shaft speed, hydraulic performance, and sweeping system are optimally combined. After long preparation and transportation, the new Plant Max X2 planting unit is finally operational. In cooperation with partners from Timber, Plant Forestry has successfully tested and demonstrated on pine and eucalyptus plantations, showing its best qualities. The specifications and capabilities of this machine are quite different from anything Plant Forestry has done before, but the trials have shown their technique has the potential to be a game changer in mechanized planting. And you can see for yourself how it works by watching the video. Holy smokes, the Dipper Fox Stump Crusher 850 Pro is an absolute beast. It's not just grinding stumps, it's obliterating them with surgical precision. This excavator attachment is a game changer, transforming stump removal from a backbreaking chore into a high-speed spectacle. With its patented gear-changing mechanism and lightning-fast performance, it's no wonder they call it the most efficient stump removal tool in the world. This TMC Cancella mulcher with hydraulic push frame and turbo clutch kit is a powerful machine specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stumps left after tree felling. But when combined with a Volvo excavator, for example, the machine is capable of working at quite a high altitude and can be used to mulch the tallest trees. The mulcher's build quality is very high, as high-quality steel and additional connecting elements were used for its production. The Mebor 1300 HTZ, a leading player among horizontal bandsaws, sets productivity records by processing up to 90 cubic meters of wood in a single shift. Its special feature is its wide blade and high precision, making it an indispensable tool in sawmills where quality and efficiency are valued. The Prinoth Raptor 100 self-propelled mulcher with remote control is a very highly efficient machine. Together with the hydraulic mulcher cutter, M450H, it is suitable for various applications. It can effectively crush small thickets and branches in hard-to-reach areas or difficult terrain. The mulcher does an impressive job in forestry, clearing parks and public gardens, cleaning on roadsides and steep slopes at an angle of up to 45 degrees. The Schwingstetter concrete pump model S38SX Raptor is a true master of efficiency. Its economical engine with a speed of just over 1,000 RPM, even with high pumping power and the legendary robustness of the low-wear rock concrete valve result in unrivaled low operating and maintenance expenses. The innovative Raptor boom combines exceptionally large boom opening angles with an easy-to-use roller folding mechanism and thus offers unique mobility during use. At only 2.4 feet wide and weighing 2.9 tons, it's the perfect machine for working in the tightest and hardest to reach places. Maneuverable and powerful, this spider crane lifts over 2.9 tons with a 28.5-foot telescopic boom to 41 feet of maximum height on the hook. The RPG 2900 is the highest level of performance in its category. With its compact size, track narrowing capability, and lightweight, this model is especially suited for smaller jobs where space is limited. And the main telescopic boom and auxiliary articulated top boom provide maximum maneuverability, even at medium heights. Hey, they seem to want to celebrate early. Maybe he can't carry this burden across the river. It looks like this truck has its own extreme unloading style. Oh, look at him fumbling with his leg. Was it luck or the driver's skill? The truck stayed upright for quite a while.
Don't mind. Video man.
The trailer was leaning before he even started the dump.
And it just tipped. Lovely. You not press pause, have you? That's recording.
Looks like this is his unique way of washing the truck.
I get the watermark in a minute. What are you lights up now? Designed by computer, built by a robot, and driven by...
Watch as the excavator carefully drags the malfunctioning dump truck into the trench.
Buggy.
The shipment crossed the road smoothly. Great job ensuring safety. The Sikorsky S-64 Sky Crane by Erickson Air Crane was originally developed for the U.S. Army, as was a civilian version. But later, the purpose of this aircraft was revised, and it began to be prepared mainly for firefighting. The S-64 is equipped with a tank with a capacity of 10,000 liters for the transportation and dumping of fire retardant. It proved to be very successful and is used literally all over the world to prevent seasonal climatic fire risks. The aircraft has a reinforced airframe and increased propeller blade area, which increases the external payload from 20,000 to 25,000 pounds. You see the high-performance Hudig cable plow, which was created by the two companies, Lyra and Graf Kabelflug, and it really is a cost-effective alternative to laying fiber optic cables. With their own fields of construction, electrical engineering, and communications, the companies can offer complete solutions for broadband expansion in projects of any size. That's why they created their ideal tracked plow for overland installation in different agricultural areas. It is designed just right for laying along transportation routes. The PA19001 bridge inspection device embodies Palfinger's many years of experience in the manufacture of hydraulic loading cranes and lifting platforms. The wide working range above railroad level enables work on high cable supports and special bridge structures. The third jib system can be dismantled, allowing it to be used for various crane operations. The multifunctional device is ideal for municipal authorities and various institutions that are constantly faced with a wide range of tasks. Canada's specialized search and rescue SAR teams regularly risk their lives by relying on aircraft to overcome serious challenges in hazardous weather and dangerous terrain. The demands on Canadian SAR aircraft are well documented, from challenging mountain contour searches, storms in the Arctic and North Atlantic, to extreme temperatures, icing, and precipitation. The C-295, built by Airbus and selected for the National Aircraft Search and Rescue Program, is ideally suited for those missions. This video is an exclusive inside and outside tour of the latest generation of the versatile aircraft that Canada recently welcomed to its fleet. Don't let woodworking intimidate you. The HM126. Portable sawmill isn't just a tool, it's a passport to a world of woodworking wonders. Imagine transforming rough logs into flawless planks for your dream deck, or sturdy beams for that backyard cabin you've always wanted. With the HM126, your lumber dreams take shape. We hope this video got your gears turning and sparked some serious inspiration. Don't be shy. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our woodworking adventures. When the Hitachi 4500 beast rolls downhill, it's clear that everyone needs to get out of the way. Hold on a second. The excavator hasn't even made it onto the truck yet. Getting that JCB down wasn't an easy task for the crane operator. Luckily, he jumped to safety just before it collapsed. Is this the most insane rescue attempt ever for a truck stuck in a ditch? The Prinoth Panther T16 crawler is, on its own, a very powerful and productive machine. But what could be better when paired with the optional Terex TM125? This productive, high-tech duo is just perfect for all your power generation needs. And believe me, there is no task impossible with such powerful equipment. The single-point ripper you see on your screens has an angled tine design that provides optimum strength for ripping frozen ground, rocks, sidewalks, and other jobs that exceed capabilities of a heavy ground-moving bucket. This powerful excavator ripper is a versatile tool that goes beyond simply loosening hardened soil. Excavator rippers can also be used to remove stumps, root systems, and rebar. The Toro Dingo TX1300 Compact Track Universal Loader is a new combination of power, reach, and easy operation in the Toro Dingo lineup. If you need to move a lot of material, the Dingo TX1300 will get the job done efficiently. It's ideal for landscaping and tree maintenance work, although its versatility allows you to use it for more. The Dingo TX1300 features the exclusive IntelliScope loader boom with smart load technology, giving the operator an additional 26 inches of reach. The impressive 109-inch articulating pin height allows loads to be lifted up and over the side of a dumpster or truck. The goal of these features is to help users maximize productivity. He must have thought he could balance that massive load with his own weight. What a challenge. But thanks to his crew, they finally pulled it off. That was pure madness. Thankfully, the driver got out just before it all went south. When the train hit, there was nothing left but wreckage. With experience on his side, the crane operator made a flawless escape. Everyone's okay, but the crane didn't stand a chance. The way that excavator handled the task was insane. It takes a lot of skill and experience to keep cool and get the job done like that. The terrain they work on is always full of risks and challenges. The excavator operator held on until the very last moment, just before the dozer plunged off the cliff. Harvesting eucalyptus in the rugged terrain of Tasmania is no easy task. It's incredible to see how the experienced workers ingeniously combine the use of excavators with cutting heads and chainsaws, making the process faster and safer. This teamwork and technology are a testament to their expertise and adaptability in such challenging conditions. The sun beats down on the dusty lumberyard as a logging truck pulls in, laden with freshly cut timber. Two Cat 930MN wheel loaders, equipped with milliard forks, spring into action. Their engines roar as they effortlessly lift and maneuver the heavy logs, their movements a well-choreographed dance. In a matter of minutes, the truck is empty, and the logs are neatly stacked, ready for processing. This is the heart of the lumber industry, a symphony of power, precision, and efficiency. Ladies and gentlemen, today we witness a dramatic turn of events at the logging site. The powerful truck, usually in impeccable condition, faced an unexpected challenge on a rainy day. Getting bogged down in the mud, Ross tried to pull the heavy log truck with a dozer, but to our shock, the chain snapped, sending the truck back down the slope. Miraculously, the truck didn't even get a small scratch. It was like God himself stopped it with his hand. We recently added the XT445 to our fleet, and the difference in productivity is night and day. The four-way leveling system allows us to work on slopes we wouldn't have attempted before, and the machine's ability to multitask without slowing down has significantly reduced our cycle times. The operators love the cab's comfort and visibility, which helps them stay focused and efficient. This is an investment that's already paying off. Witnessing a fully loaded log truck navigating down an off-road, slippery mud hill is nothing short of nerve-wracking. The truck slid precariously on the treacherous path, a testament to the extreme danger of the job. Despite the hazardous conditions, the drivers showcased incredible skill and control, ensuring the safe extraction of wood.
Wow, 操，牛逼！摇动车来呗。嘿，查翻個衫。来嘛，来，这里要倒1把或2把啊，今天都拉少，因为这路太滑了。
Witnessing the Cockham's Logma, 8541. The limber processor in action is like seeing a piece of engineering history come to life. Developed in Sweden in the late 1960s, this machine is a marvel of innovation. It's built on a 3-axle forwarder chassis with a delimbing unit that uses a pair of delimbing heads featuring wraparound and fixed knives, ensuring exceptional delimbing quality. The boom can extend up to 12 meters with a stroking speed of 2.5 meters per second, handling logs with a butt diameter up to 60 centimeters. The Massey 9980 is designed for superior performance with an engine capacity of up to 265 HP. Its electronically controlled hydraulic drives enhance power delivery to the header drive systems, improving efficiency and productivity. The TYM T1104 is a 110 HP, full-size utility tractor. It offers a number of premium features at a competitive price, including electronic D-clutch, buddy seat, third function, self-leveling loader, air ride seat. The Correspond OTW2 fruit tree shaker is the ultimate productivity booster for any orchard. With its large collection tarp, conveyor belt, and leaf blower, it streamlines the harvesting process. The hydraulic system ensures smooth operation, while the machine's robust design handles tough conditions. Investing in this machine means more efficient harvesting, better fruit quality, and higher yields. Unveil the benefits of the new Holland Clayson M140 combine harvester. Featuring an 85 HP engine and a generous 4.20 meter cutting width, it excels in harvesting efficiency. Equipped with a transport wagon for the cutter bar, this harvester is well maintained with good tires and a dependable engine, making it a valuable asset straight from the field to your farm. Enhance your onion harvesting efficiency with the Grimmy GZ 1700 DL1 trailed onion loader. With its wide 170mm web conveyor, dual web conveyors, and electric hydraulic control, it ensures smooth operation despite minor defects. Ideal for farmers seeking reliable performance in onion handling. Today, these tractors are rarely found in the field, and it's almost impossible to see several of these tractors working at the same time. Ploger MKC4TR is a powerhouse in the field of spinach harvesting. With a 408 HP Deutz TCD 2015 V6 engine and hydrostatic drive speeds up to 25 km shake on the road and 7 km range in the field, it's designed for maximum efficiency and productivity. The Anderson 680 Jounce bale wrapper stands out with its robust build and efficient performance. Designed for farms needing reliable bale wrapping, it handles up to 75 bales per hour of up to 6 feet tall. Featuring an aluminum film stretcher and options for 1 or 2 bale dump positions, it ensures flexibility in operation. With standard road lights and night work lights, it supports round-the-clock operations. Claas Zarian 4000 Yusung track seat washing. With a robust 325 horsepower engine and 4-power-4 traction, this tractor delivers unmatched power and performance. Whether you're cultivating fields or transporting goods, its speed capabilities of up to 50 km/h ensure swift operations. This Athena olive harvester is incredible. Forget climbing trees and shaking branches by hand. This machine looks like it can handle entire orchards with ease. Working speeds of up to 2 km/h and over 95% harvesting efficiency. Kong Skilled GXT 13005P has a cutting width of 12 meters and a working speed of up to 15 km/h. The machine has a power requirement of 180-260 horsepower. The transport dimensions are 3.6 meters long, 2.6 meters wide, and 3.7 meters high. The machine weighs 4,200 kilograms. It is packed with innovative features that will make farmers' lives easier and more productive. KUHN FC3161 TC mower conditioner stands out with its gyrodainer swivel hitch for easy maneuverability and OptiDisc RR Elite cutter bar for low maintenance cutting excellence. With working widths up to 14.05, it's engineered for fast, precise mowing and effective crop conditioning. Hold on to your hard hats, folks, because we're about to witness some serious sawing power. This ain't your grandpa's chainsaw. The GS44XL grapple saw is a force of nature, engineered to chomp through 30-inch logs like they're twigs. I've always admired the raw power and versatility of the Caterpillar E8 dozer. But witnessing a D8 equipped with a homemade stump splitter is a revelation. This DIY attachment effortlessly cleaves through stubborn stumps by harnessing the D8's immense pushing power, reducing them to manageable pieces. All that's left is to bulldoze the splintered stump out of the ground. The Hoover Crab, a pinnacle of agricultural innovation. This machine is crafted for meticulous crop residue cleaning with features like a side-shifting cutting bar and 4 steering wheels for unparalleled control. Its oversized waste bin, capable of lifting up to 260 kilos, simplifies residue disposal directly onto trailers. The Voluntary Pelling Diamant 9056 redefines precision in viticulture. Its dual stainless steel tanks, resembling gleaming diamonds, effortlessly harvest and preserve grape nectar. Designed with meticulous attention to mechanical and functional constraints, this machine embodies innovation and efficiency. Woods TBW 1220. Forget fiddling with tools for maintenance. The Woods TBW 12.20 lets you access its insides with just your bare hands, saving you precious time. Cotton harvesters are a monster. Trilo VCU 150-200. Enhance your turf management with the Trilo VCU 150-200. Featuring adjustable height settings and precision 3mm knives, it efficiently removes old grass layers to stimulate healthy root growth. Land Pride AFM 400168. This powerhouse of Land Pride. AFM 400168 mower is perfect for those large-scale mowing tasks, delivering a pristine cut every time. With a 15-foot cutting width, this batwing mower covers more ground in less time. Its batwing design allows for easy navigation around obstacles and uneven terrain. Hortec DU Automatic. Enhance your farming efficiency with the Hortec DU Automatic. Works seamlessly with 3x3, 4x4, and 5x5 square soil blocks, offering versatility for different crops. Maintains a consistent planting depth for all seedlings, regardless of ground irregularities, leading to even growth. Allows for easy integration with tractors for efficient field operations. Grinta Z420CV. Invest in the Grinta C420CV, a wise choice for efficiency in Modena's challenging soils. With 420, 450 horsepower, it effortlessly handles a 5-body plow, optimizing productivity in clay-rich fields. Its robust design and powerful performance ensure minimal downtime and maximum yield. This Leashide 240.8F with the Woody WH61 head is a surprise contender. I wouldn't have expected this kind of performance from a Chinese excavator, but it's holding its own in the Tiver region forests. The forest cart and full protection package are smart additions, and that automatic fire extinguisher is a lifesaver. The real test is how it holds up over time, but so far, it's proving to be a solid, affordable option for harvesting. Oh my god, that dirt road is incredibly challenging. Did you see the logging truck overturned in the ditch? In the second situation, it looks like the logging truck driver was too distracted by the girl in the pink shirt. The truck was carrying such long logs that it turned into a seesaw. I think that's why the temporary bridge was overloaded and collapsed. I was blown away by how that little Cranman P25 handled that big tree. It's a real powerhouse, packing a punch with its hydraulic system. And the way it effortlessly processed that timber, that's the kind of efficiency that gets the job done right. Plus, it's built like a tank. This thing is going to last. The Bandit chipper is a beast. I've used this machine on countless jobs, and it never disappoints. The engine's got the power to chew through anything you throw at it, and the feed system is so smooth, it's like the wood just disappears. Plus, it's built like a tank. This thing can handle years of abuse and still keep on chipping. That's impressive. Noble fir is incredibly heavy. I drive a 7-axle long logger, and even at 98,000 lbs, my load sometimes looks like a half load. But with the pup, you can haul up to 105 and 500 lbs, even when shortened up for 28-footers.
Alright, just a quick one today. You guys have a,
The Tiger Cat tree cutter was stuck, completely unable to move. Just when things looked bleak, a nearby bulldozer swooped in. With a few swift moves, they managed to free it from the trap. With experience on his side, the crane operator made a flawless escape. Everyone's okay, but the crane didn't stand a chance. The way that excavator handled the task was insane. It takes a lot of skill and experience to keep cool and get the job done like that. The terrain they work on is always full of risks and challenges. The excavator operator held on until the very last moment, just before the dozer plunged off the cliff. When danger strikes, some choose to flee while others stay behind. But in the end, everyone is safe. This 16-ton Corop crane has seen better days. It's time for it to hang up its boots and get a well-earned upgrade. Even in the face of challenges, this excavator refuses to back down. What a dedicated worker. It seems ridiculous, but that pickup truck got the job done with impressive results. Oh my god, what a controlled failure. That was intense. Incredible. The cat haul demonstrates its sheer strength by easily flattening the pickup truck, proving its unmatched power. This bulldozer's in deep trouble, sinking in the mud. The cranes arrived, but it's a dangerous job. Any misstep could mean catastrophe. They need perfect timing and nerves of steel. Can they do it? The dude in red is lucky. Never seen anyone try to deal with a hung-up tree quite like that before. You think you'd be able to react and jump out of the way in time, but with how fast that tree slipped, the man would have had zero chance. That Komatsu 895 is a monster in the woods. I've seen this beast in action, and it's like a freight train on tracks. With a 20-ton payload capacity and that massive crane, it can haul more timber than any other forwarder I've seen. Manuel Hall knows his stuff, and if he says it can move 110 tons per hour, I believe it. This machine isn't just big, it's efficient and built to last. Imagine a sawmill that can handle any log you throw at it, from the smallest to the most massive. That's the WB2000. I've watched this machine in action, and it's a sight to behold. The hum of the electric motor, the whine of the blade, the satisfying thud of a log hitting the deck. It's a symphony of industry. This isn't just a sawmill, it's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to harness the power of technology to transform raw materials into usable lumber. Called by the company a skid steer bucket on steroids, the Blade Buddy has a center support system that allows it to be lifted and moved with a full load of material. Equipped with dual pins, the equipment can transform from unloading to carrying modes in seconds. This allows you to collect, unload, spread, or load contents. The attachment is also equipped with load support brackets, which are removable hinged extensions located on either side of the front of the unit. Mechanical removal is a highly effective method of controlling aquatic weeds. The weed machine physically removes all plants, including the roots, so weeds cannot regrow. This makes it a long-term solution that gets rid of problems caused by aquatic weeds. Unlike chemical treatments that can kill beneficial aquatic species, mechanical removal only affects the targeted weeds and leaves the rest of the ecosystem intact. This mechanical removal can be tailored to the specific needs of each individual water body. The Allman AZ55F swivel loader has proven itself in the tree nursery. Simultaneously driving, maneuvering, and turning are the key to its high productivity. Thanks to the combination of four-wheel steering and a 180-degree swivel boom, the Allman swivel loader can rotate completely around its axis, taking up 20% less floor space than a conventional wheel loader. Fast and efficient loading, unloading, and reloading of trees and hedges with root clumps is what this new technology can do. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks waves up to a meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. The VZ850DK is a twin-shaft, asynchronous shredder powered by a powerful 16-liter Volvo Penta diesel engine. It features two tilting hoppers that help feed material to the asynchronous drive shafts, shredding waste and/or wood to a size suitable for your needs. Featuring a long discharge conveyor and a belt magnet for efficient separation, this versatile shredder has low wear and tear and even lower maintenance expenses. Ideal for use with black bags, wood waste, raw wood, etc. You see the legendary Twin Ram 580 CL Series baler with a rather oversized chamber and L-shaped body design. It can easily accommodate vehicles the size of a full-size van. The comfortable climate-controlled cab features CNC's exclusive monitoring system, allowing operators to instantly monitor hydraulic pressure and throttle speed, as well as graphically display the progress of the baling cycle. The new line class ARF 8x8 is manufactured in high quality to meet the needs of the fire apparatus sector. Thanks to its lightweight and aerodynamic upper structure, composite alloy and twin engine, 1,300 horsepower engine, the new line can reach the hearth of the fire in seconds, fearlessly tackling even the worst fires. All thanks to a fire pump that can easily pump 12,000 liters of water per minute. Man, that video took me back. That log pond is a smart move. Keeps the wood in prime condition and the bugs at bay. This is what real lumber is made of. The smell of fresh-cut wood, the rumble of the steam engine, the sight of those massive logs hitting the saw. It's a symphony of old-school craftsmanship. Hull Oaks is a living museum, a testament to a bygone era of lumber production. It's amazing to see a mill like this still operating, and those guys clearly know their stuff. It's a step back in time, a place where skilled workers transform massive logs into beautiful lumber, using techniques that have been passed down through generations.
Okay, great.
Witnessing this moment is jaw-dropping. This tree is 60 feet long. It's crazy, but I believe Hull Oaks Lumber Mill out in Dawson, Oregon, handles logs like this. I had no idea anyone milled logs that long. The guy grabbing them with his hands is a real badass. He probably weighed 100 pounds when he started. That slab at the end must weigh 5 tons. Seriously though, this is one hell of an operation. Next time I need 60-foot, 5-ton slabs of Douglas fir, you guys are my go-to. Wagner offers the industry's most productive and economical log stacker, the L490. This machine is one of the safest and most productive log loaders on the market, with the same reliability for which the Wagner brand is well known. The new model is equipped with much faster hydraulics. It lifts the load twice as fast as all its predecessors. This machine includes double ladders for safe exit and ground-level service bays for easy and safe maintenance. The first new generation road rail contact vehicle from Hilton, one of the world's leading manufacturers of road rail vehicles, is ready for delivery. The vehicle is built on a MAN FMX 6x4 chassis with hydrovolume rail drive and provides a maximum track speed of up to 44 miles per hour. The platform has a working height of 46 feet with a maximum basket load of half a ton. Combined with 2-wire positioners, this unit is a very compact, multi-purpose machine. 7 more units will be available in 2024. The new Magirus Wolf R1 is a true marvel of robotics. It fully justifies its considerable cost and can perform the most complex firefighting operations in harsh conditions. Its tracked base and 3.9-foot width allows it to be used on forest fires or on highly hazardous industrial fires. The TAF-60, on the other hand, can flow up to 6,000 liters of water per minute, which is a great advantage, especially when fighting large fires in chemical or refinery plants. The overall height of the firefighting robot has been reduced to less than 6.2 feet, which means the TAF-60 can easily penetrate low buildings. The optional central monitor, which can be turned sideways, opens up a whole new operational tactic. While the hot spot is being cooled by water mist, the monitor can simultaneously target and extinguish neighboring embers. The Skier Pro Plus Skid Steer Grader is an innovative new attachment that will take your leveling and leveling operations to the next level. See how the Pro Plus performs in various ways in this product demonstration. The company tested the attachment on a gravel road, an off-road riding trail, and an equestrian area. Just look at how cleanly and efficiently the Skier system performs in such a wide range of applications. From heavy leveling to precision layout, this attachment can be relied upon. With its stable and robust splitter twin-wave screening platform, the Track Splitter X2 is an expert for heavy, sticky, and partially uncrushed materials, stones, clay, contaminated landfill soil. Thanks to the trough-shaped design and the tilt angle adjustment, the material stays on the screen deck longer, is cleaned of sticky impurities, and reliably separated into 2 fractions. In addition to producing the finished product, the Splitter X2 is also ideally suited for preparing the material for subsequent processes. Like all the company's machines, the Splitter X2 is characterized by a wide range of adjustment options, as well as clog-free and rewind-free operation. The L580 wheel loader from Log Handler X-Power has been designed for use in the forestry industry. This new front loader has a large lift height and can handle various types of material. Thanks to the drive features, the X-Power L580 can achieve high travel speeds. The reliable and powerful machine can be used in a wide variety of tasks. Hilton Engineering recently introduced a new 320T aerial platform model that sets new standards for fire aerials. The first 2 platforms were delivered to Groningen Fire Brigade in the Netherlands, and 5 new platforms are currently in production and awaiting delivery. The new 320T is a result of almost 30 years of experience and continuous improvements in quality, reliability, and user-friendliness. That's why the machine really does have unique characteristics and provides maximum reliability even in the most critical situations. In addition, the 32-meter platform is also available in carb versions, a combined air rescue pump with an additional water foam tank and water pump. Number 15. The versatile Cat D4 dozer offers excellent power and precision. The lower sloping hood provides better visibility, while the Cat C4.4 engine ensures great fuel efficiency. With features like the assistant grade technology, this dozer is perfect for operators of all skill levels. Highly recommend for anyone looking to boost their productivity. Number 16. Imagine soaring over traffic in your own personal flying car. This Xpeng X2 is the ultimate status symbol. The minimalist design is stunning, and the carbon fiber structure screams luxury. Sign me up for a test flight. Clean railway tracks in winter are the key to a functioning infrastructure. This is undoubtedly what Bella Hack believes, which is why they created their HB1100S, which is capable of handling up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour. This powerful new high-performance rotary snow plow allows you to quickly plow your way through large volumes of snow. The wide field of application is ensured by high transportation speeds. Even in the most difficult conditions, the track can be cleared in a single pass, quickly restoring traffic. Most large European and South American companies that use roundwood as raw material have been using the RTD 3026 as the best material handling equipment for many years. The typical task for the RTD 3026 is to unload a truck. The main criterion for unloading efficiency is the whole set in one go, and when using TW's patented twin grapple, even 2 sets of trucks at the same time. A wide range of grapples and even customized grapples are available for the RTD 3026. The patented Eagle Punch Cutter 2 is portable and designed to split off-road tires, OTR, in 2 halves by cutting through the center of the tread. It can handle various tire sizes, from 39-inch rim size and 37-inch tread width, up to and including 63-inch rim size and 70-inch tread width. A blade is used to punch the tire, while a programmable logic controller, PLC, controls the tire rotation and the punching process, allowing the operator to set up the machine, press the start button, and run it.